This is AI Command App news for Monday, April 27th, 2026. I'm walking you through the AI and tech stories moving markets, capital, and the labor picture today. Story 1. The macro backdrop. U.S. equity futures opened the week under pressure as U.S. Iran peace negotiations stalled. According to Yahoo Finance, Jared Kushner and Steve Witkoff were told not to travel to Pakistan for talks, and Iran's foreign minister is now flying to Russia to meet with Putin. Markets reacted fast. MarketWatch reports global oil futures topped $100 a barrel after the talks were canceled. Seeking Alpha had Brent rallying over 2% to roughly $108. Goldman Sachs raised its fourth quarter oil price outlook, citing reduced Middle East output, and Seeking Alpha flagged that airline hedging gaps are heightening fuel risk into earnings season. If you operate anything with a fuel cost, logistics, travel, manufacturing, re-stress your forecast this week. Story 2. China just blocked Meta's $2 billion acquisition of Manus, a Singaporean AI startup with Chinese roots. CNBC and MarketWatch both confirmed the decision Monday. This was Meta's bid for an autonomous AI agent platform, and it's the latest signal that AI cross-border M&A is now a national security file in Beijing, Washington, and Brussels. The implication for business leaders: if your AI vendor strategy assumes friction-free global consolidation, redo the model. Cross-border AI deals are getting harder, not easier. Story 3. The labor side. Yahoo Finance reports both Microsoft and Meta announced significant job reductions this week, explicitly tied to industry pivot to AI. This is on top of months of restructuring across the hyperscalers. What's actually happening? Companies are reallocating headcount budget into compute and model spend. And it's not just headcount. According to an Axios piece picked up on Hacker News today, AI can now cost more than human workers in many task categories. The cost curve has flipped on a per-task basis for high-volume API agents. So leaders who pivoted to AI for cost takeout are finally running real total cost of ownership math. Story 4. The capital flow story. Yahoo Finance reports Google is eyeing a $40 billion investment in Anthropic, starting with $10 billion in cash. Separately, CoreWeave announced an infrastructure partnership with Anthropic to host Claude models, and Robinhood's investment fund acquired a $75 million stake in OpenAI to expand retail access to private AI shares. Read this carefully. The dominant frontier AI labs are increasingly capitalized, increasingly entangled with the cloud platforms, and increasingly accessible to retail investors through structured vehicles. The Financial Times also reported via Hacker News that Google now controls roughly 25% of global AI compute, about 3.8 million TPUs and 1.3 million GPUs. If you're a CIO, that concentration is not abstract anymore. It's a single vendor risk on your top operational expense line. Story 5. Quick hits with business read-throughs. Yahoo Finance reports NVIDIA, Adobe, and WPP expanded their partnership to integrate agentic AI into marketing pipelines. Oracle and Google Cloud launched a joint AI database agent for enterprise data queries. Pony AI launched a new autonomous driving controller built on NVIDIA hardware for Level 4 robot axes. And Veolia is developing reclaimed water cooling systems for Amazon's data centers, a real signal on water as the next constrained input for AI infrastructure. Bottom line for this morning: oil is your near-term volatility input. Cross-border AI consolidation is getting blocked. Headcount is being traded for compute. Frontier lab capitalization is going parabolic. And the cost story for AI is finally being audited honestly. That's your AI news for today from AI Command App.